You've probably gone on a trip and filmed with your phone or a GoPro or maybe even a drone, taken all these amazing videos and then done absolutely nothing with them when you got home. That's because video editing is time consuming and somehow you never got around to it. That's exactly what happened to Ahmad Sabak. He went to Australia, Colombia, Guatemala, and never showed off any of his GoPro footage until he found out about Spivo Video, the professional video editing service that edits videos for you. It's the easiest way to get a video made that you can relive and share with your friends and family. It's really easy. Check it out on this screen right now. I know you may be thinking, I don't know if someone else can make a video for me. And that's exactly what Brittany thought about her motorcycle footage. So did Brian. He went to Zion and just simply didn't have time to put together a video afterwards. We can do this because we spent the last 15 years editing our own adventure and travel videos and using those videos to market our own line of innovative camera accessories, like this swivel selfie stick. We edit every video like it's our own. If you're seeing this video, you've still got time. Tap the link and check it out right now to get a quote and claim your special offer. Look, I don't know how much longer we're gonna be able to offer this for, so if you've got footage kicking around, collecting dust, make sure to check it out right now and get yourself an epic video made.